So the weather's been pretty horrible up here, so I haven't really gotten a whole lot done. I did a little bit of work on my trailer project, and I built this engine stand out of some scrap metal. The garage is really full right now, so I didn't really have a lot of room to work, so I just did this little project. I've only got 2 bolts in it right now, but there's holes for 4 that allow me to mount a motor like this. It's just nice for working on it outside of the bike, checking stuff on it, you know, and I can actually kickstart this thing on here. I mean, I obviously don't have it all hooked up yet, but I rolled it over with the Kickstarter and it's pretty stable, so I can probably even test run it on here. But I just wanted to share that little bit with you. The weather's starting to improve, so I can roll some stuff outside, work with the garage door open, that sort of thing. So we should start seeing progress again here soon.